Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to merge two videos in Flutter iOS using AV mutable composition. So firstly I'll show you the output. So I'll click on open video picker and it opens the video picker. I'll select this video, then I can pick multiple videos. So I can click on open video picker again and I'll select this particular video. Now I'll just click on merge video. So as you can see, it was able to merge these two videos. So if I just forward it a little, so here you can see it was able to merge these two videos. So yeah, that's what we will be looking into, how to do this. So let's get started. So firstly I have created also one more thing. I'll quickly close this. If I click on save video, if the video would be saved. If I click on open video picker, here you can see the video was saved. So this was the 9-second video and this was the 15-second video. So total 24-second video has been saved. Anyways, so let's get started. So here is my Flutter project, and firstly I have just refactored this my homepage widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel called video picker platform, and here I have one text button which will help you to pick videos. So you can pick multiple videos. Whenever you pick a video, I have created one variable on the native side, like a array of URIs, which will store the URI of the picked video. And here I have one merge button. So whatever URI array of URIs we have, that will be help to merge all the videos which we have. And then for saving those buttons, saving those videos, I have created one button as well. So yeah, next all you have to do is open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode, and then here the minimum deployment target is 15. Make sure, and here inside runner make sure the iOS deployment target is 15 as well. Inside info.plist I have given this photo library usage description permission, and inside app delegate we have imported photos UI as well as AVGate. We are also extending PH picker view controller delegate, and here we have created our Flutter result controller final URL to save the video, and this array of URL whenever you pick up videos. Then we are here we are initializing our controller. Here we are created our method channel. The once pick video is called, we are calling a method called request authorization, which I will show you. So this also, yeah, make sure you add this particular permission, okay, ns photo library usage description permission. Once request authorization is called, it basically asks the user for the photos app permission. Once the permission is granted, we basically call the pick video method. So if you see over here, once the permission has been granted, we call pick video. Now if you see the pick video part, we are filtering by video, selection limit is 1. We are opening the PH picker view controller, and given that we are extending PH picker view controller delegate at the top, we can override this particular method. So I'll show you this method picker, okay. So once the user sees the video picker, this is a completion handler which I will come back to later on. So here we will get the result. Now we will have to store this particular video in a temporary location, then only we can really access it. So this is the entire code for it. I have copy pasted it from online. You can do the same, but once in case if there is any error, we are calling our completion handler. So the destination URL is nil, but we are passing our error. In case if it is successful, then we again are calling completion handler and we are passing our destination URL, and error would be nil, but I am just passing our error variable. This is just for debugging purposes I have created this. If you want, you can use it, otherwise skip it, okay. So this entire code you can just copy paste it. Then this is our completion handler which I was talking about. So once this is called, it basically calls this handle pick video result method. So if you see, this is the method, and if we have a proper URL, I am just appending it to our URLs array. Okay, now that's it for the pick video part, okay. So this next, if we call merge video, then we basically first call this join videos method. So if you see join videos, we have this AV mutable composition, we have this file manager, then we have the current duration, we create a video composition track, we create an audio composition track. Here we iterate through all the URLs, then we create an AV asset as well, then we create an asset video track, we create an asset audio track, then we create our duration. So we are basically looping through all this, and it will help us to merge this video. So then we create an video composition track, insert the time range, audio composition track, insert the time range. Then whatever is the current duration, we just so here if sorry, okay, so basically whatever is the current duration, suppose for the very first video the current duration is 10 seconds, okay, so but the variable current duration at the very start is 0. So then once the first video has been added, our current duration would be become 10 seconds. So the later on when you start adding the second video, it will start it from 10 seconds. So that's why we are passing current duration over here as well as over here. Then we create our export path, export URL. If file already exists, we remove it. Then we create an AV asset export session. We create an output URL, output file type should optimize for network use is true, and then we export it. Again, this is not really needed, this was just part of my debugging. Then we assign our final URL and return that final URL back. Okay, now for saving the video, we are basically again checking for the permission. If we have the permission, then we call perform changes, create request for asset from video from our ph asset change request. If video is saved, we print this. In case of error, we also print it. So yeah, I think that's it. So I've shown you this, I've shown you this, I've shown you this. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.